Good afternoon, my friends, and welcome to Lawyered Up. I am Patrick McGeehan. I'm a Florida trial lawyer and retired police officer. I try to bring you news and information about guns and Second Amendment rights from Florida and around the country. I had somebody send me something in the email the other day. That is the Concealed Carry Reciprocity Act, filed by the great Montana Senator Steve Daniels. Great guy, big supporter of the Second Amendment. Anyway, he filed this bill in the second session of the 117th Congress, which is currently the Congress that's in now. The person that sent it to me was all excited because he was almost sure that this would pass. But let me tell you something. I got into researching it a little bit. The bill allows for concealed carry reciprocity across state lines. If you have a concealed carry permit from your state and photographic identification, you can carry and go across state lines in other states which also issue concealed carry licenses to their residents, subject to the state laws in that country, in that state. What's interesting, I found interesting about this particular bill is it does have a portion in the bill where if you're arrested for a violation and you use this act as a defense, you're entitled to reasonable attorney's fees. That's very interesting to be contained in that type of bill. I got the research in the bill and I found that almost every session, either Senator Daniels or somebody else files a similar bill titled the Concealed Carry Reciprocity Act. Our congressional session, which is going on now, ends, I believe, July 31st, so it is unlikely in this political environment that such a bill would pass. The next Congress may be a different story if the big red wave that is predicted comes along, but when it's dealing with politics, my opinion on politics is politicians always disappoint. You get your expectations up, they always disappoint you. So I am one that I will believe it when I see it. I think it's something reasonable and something that eventually will get passed. If not the next Congress, then in 2024, if things go the way they're going to go, we may see that then. But it still doesn't mean you can carry in California yet, because California is just something different. They don't let anybody carry guns in California unless they're buddies or something of the sheriff. That's not true, but there's some sheriffs that do issue permits in California. But the more I look into California, the more I realize that you have to know somebody or you have to make a big contribution to the sheriff there. I'm sure people will have something to argue against that. Anything you have to say, put it down in the comments. I'd be happy to address it. If you have any cases you'd like me to review, I do a lot of reviews of police shooting cases on my other channel, which is The Law and Life. So check that out if you want to see some police shooting reviews. I just did last week a review of the Uvalde case. I'm going to do another one that's updated on the information in the video that was released by the Austin newspaper a few days ago. Remember, be careful out there, stay dangerous, stay armed, and always lawyer up.